This guide will help you install the 2025 audio desync fix for Cyberpunk 2077. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth installation process. Step 1. Download the fix. Visit the official website or our trusted modding community page to download the audio desync fix file. Make sure to choose the version compatible with your game. Step 2. Extract the files. Locate the downloaded zip or RAR file on your computer. Right-click on the file and select Extract All to unpack the contents into a new folder. Step 3. Locate the game directory. Find the installation directory of Cyberpunk 2077 on your computer. This is usually located in your Steam or GOG library under the game is properties. Step 4. Copy the files. Open the extracted folder containing the audio desync fix. Copy all the files from this folder and paste them into the Cyberpunk 2077 game directory. Make sure to overwrite any existing files if prompted. Step 5. Launch the game. After the files have been copied, launch Cyberpunk 2077. Check the audio settings and start a game to verify that the audio desync issue has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully install the audio desync fix for Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.